welcome back to my channel. Okay, today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a simple skin lightening DIY you can do at home. Okay, if you want to glow your skin using natural ingredients, this is the video you should continue watching. Alright, so by here I have my extra virgin olive oil, my coconut oil, my turmeric powder, and of course your carrots. So first things first, we'll be blending these carrots in the blender. Okay, so all you need to do is to cut it into slices and we blend. All right, so let's do that now. So guys, you put it in your blender. And you add in a half glass cup of water. This is our carrot paste. We're measuring 2 teaspoons of your olive oil. You measure 1 tablespoon of your turmeric powder and you stir to have an even mixture. You add in a teaspoon of coconut oil. Then you stir also. So this is basically what it looks like, what it should be like. So this is it. You just want to apply this on your body at night before you go to bed. You apply this on your skin, your face, your legs, your arm. You leave for 30 minutes before you wash up. It's like a form of you exfoliating yourself. Okay, just use it on your body, but it's a fruity kind of cleanser. Use it on your body, then you wash off and go to bed. Do this twice a week if you want to experience that brightening and body glow in your body. So this is what you should use. So thank you guys for watching to the very end. Thanks for supporting the brand, and if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe to this channel. You don't want to miss out on my videos or my other updates. Okay, I post videos weekly and I have videos on various topics, videos targeted at women, men, children, and just generally everybody at large. So subscribe to get this channel, and also if this video was very helpful, leave a comment down below and share to your friends. Tell your friends about this channel. You don't want to miss out on my videos. Alright, so thanks for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.